Welcome, welcome, boys. According to this, it's only just above 80 with 65% humidity. However, I just opened the garage, so I'm pretty sure the outside temperature is like 95 degrees, 80% humidity. So with that said, we have this beastly fan because we're going to be changing the engine oil in our 2020 Kia Optima. So first order of business, get the engine nice and warm. This one is, lift the car up. It is, because we need to get underneath and use our 10mm to get this plastical shielding stuff off of here so we get access to our drain plug and our filter. So if we slither under here now, filter's right there, drain plug's right there, and my marks from last time with how much to torque it are still there. This is the engine oil filter you're going to need, and the drain plug is a 17mm. Okay, none of my oil filter adapters that can be used on a with a ratchet will fit, but this tool will. So you can just slither under there and give it a little loosey. When these filters are put on, they should only be tightened by hand, so it shouldn't require much effort to loosen this. You can see that moves. Alright, so now we'll know we'll be able to get that once we drain the oil out. There should be 6 quarts of oil, I believe, is what this thing takes, somewhere between 5 and 6. So make sure your pan can hold that many quarts. And alternatively, if you want to test your new oil extractor, you can shove the second from smallest down in your dipstick tube, adapt it into the second from biggest, and then let's give her a few pumps and see if we can extract anything. Oh yeah. Extracting. So we'll let that do its thing, and we'll get the filter out. Alright, I don't know what was up with that overexposure, but since we have no more drips, and we got, I don't know, somewhere between 5 and 6 quarts extracted, I suppose you guys who don't have the extractor want to see how you would drain it actually, but also, does the extractor work and get all the oil out? Well, let's find out. I'll set you up so I think you can see. Maybe you guys can see. That's why things aren't so damn tight. Alright, moment of truth. Does it leak? Oh my god. Does any oil come out after we have extracted it? No! So the oil extractor works. Okay, very good. Now we know. Let's get to the filling up process. Okay, now I know the oil extractor extracts every last molecule, no different than draining. I'm going to Teflon tape the threads up on this because I'm never opening it again if I do all the oil changes from here on out. Alright, always lube your new O-ring with oil. So I got fresh oil on the O-ring, and that's so this comes off when you replace it next time with another filter. Alright, you need only tighten this thing by hand, as I mentioned before. Don't use a tool, don't use a wrench, don't use anything. Just as tight as you can get it by hand, and then that's good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this cover back on, and then we'll fill it up. Alright, boys. And once you're done with your oil, do be sure to recover it and place it in the container so that you can take it and recycle it at your auto parts store. Do not be like the owner of this vehicle and dump it in the grass. The Captain Planet would not approve of. Alright, hope that helps. If you want to change your oil the conventional way, and if you were wondering if the oil extractor works, and you want to do it that way. So, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.